Hello everyone and welcome to JioThings Fast Forward. Today we have with us Bappa Baroi, Business Lead of Tracking Solutions at JioThings. And today he is here to talk about JioMotive. Bappa, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for the invite, Pooja.
So Bappa, let's start with it. Can you just give a brief about what JioMotive is?
So JioMotive is a small plug-and-play device that fits into the OBD port of your vehicle and converts it into a smart car. So it enables a host of features like 4G live tracking, vehicle health details, battery and engine performance details, and many more.
Oh wow, so it's like a super upgrade for every car owner and no technician visit, anything, nothing.
Exactly. It's a completely do-it-yourself product. You can get started in minutes. And you know what? This is the only device in the market that enables Wi-Fi hotspot inside your vehicle in addition to regular GPS tracking. So whoever is traveling inside the car gets real-time geo network usage without any additional cost.
Oh wow. So can you give us some real life examples of how JioMotive is helping everyone in everyday life?
So let's imagine a scenario where your child is traveling from your home to school. So you can set up geofences around your home as well as school, and as soon as the car enters or exits these geofences, you get real-time alerts. Now one more scenario, let's say your family is traveling to their hometown and you are not along with them, right? Your driver is driving the vehicle. So at each moment of the trip, you get real-time updates of how the vehicle is being driven, whether it's driven nicely or not, whether it's taking sharp turns or it's rapidly accelerating. All the details will be at your fingertips. So that gives complete peace of mind wherever you are.
And that's actually very helpful because sometimes we don't know how our car is driven by others, right?
Exactly. And if you're a vehicle enthusiast, right, you have a history of trips that you have taken over the last 6 months, and you can see the details of how these trips were taken. So you can become a better driver.
Oh, that's wonderful. It's like you can not only just track your car tells you how it feels.
Exactly. That's the magic of JioMotive.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Bappa, for sharing such insights with us.
Thank you so much.
And to our viewers, thank you for tuning in to JioThings Fast Forward. Until next time.